Welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can use the law of attraction to attract money to you as quickly as possible, and I was inspired to do this from my previous vision, maybe it was a vision, but my previous video. Check it out, how to attract money in 72 hours. I wanted to expand and give you some more advanced stuff that will give you more advanced stuff, but in a very simple way that you can apply today. And what I'd like you to do is apply what I'm about to tell you and come back and let me know how it's worked for you. Okay, you can also see a full guide at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. I've also put a link in the description. It will give you a totally free manifesting guide that you can apply today. So if you need more step by step, or if you just want to make sure that you're doing this in the right way, do check out the guide at attractyourdreamstoyou.com. It will take you to the website, and you'll be able to see you don't have to enter your email or anything like that. You'll be able to see the video straight away and you can start manifesting. So do check that out. In this video I wanted to give you a really simple guide that will help you, okay? And it's the three main things you can see on your screen here, and I'm going to explain them. So I'm assuming that if you want to attract money, you already know what you want. You want some money. The only thing I would say about that is two things. Number one, make sure that you have a set amount of money and a time period. Some people say that you shouldn't set a time, but I find it works better. So you can leave that bit out, the time period, if you want. I find it works better though. So even if you're going to leave out the time period, make sure that you know the amount of money that you want to go for. The other thing that I found works really well when you're trying to attract money with the law of attraction is not to, chances are you need money for something that you need money for, okay, like bills, something that we'd view as not negative, but there's no fun in it, okay? So make sure that you're going for something when you're using the law of attraction that you really want. And the truth is, so let me give you a sort of way of looking at it. The truth is, you don't want money to pay your bills, okay? You need money to pay your bills, but you don't want money to pay your bills. What you'd want, if I may say, is the freedom to be able to pay your bills every single month without having to worry about money. So you can see that that's a slight different take. The freedom to be able to pay your bills so they were like nothing, so you could pay them with a smile on your face, and close your eyes and think how that feels. Like, instead of just saying, I managed to scrape together the money to pay my bills, as opposed to, I enjoy paying my bills because they heat my house and all the electricity and all the water that I need, and I don't have to worry about the money for them, and I just pay them every month or every 2 months, and I never have to worry about it. It's a different feeling. So make sure that you go for what you really want. You don't really want to pay your bills. You want the freedom from having to worry about them. Okay? So let's get on to the main three parts and I'll explain it. I won't make it, go on and on. But number one, when you're trying to attract money, number one thing that you want to do, I've put here frequency. A big thing is the frequency that you're on. Now, I could go on and on. This is a subject for an entire video on its own, but just to explain the frequency, we know that the law of attraction is like attracts like. Very simply put, but ultimately that's what it is. But you can only attract things that you're on the same frequency of. Okay, and what you want to do first is concentrate on raising your frequency. So if you're not attracting money currently, you may be on a lower frequency level, and you have to try and avoid pleading for money, because if you do that, what the universe will give you is more of the same. So you'll be pleading and pleading for money, okay? What you want to do is get on a frequency level that is peaceful and joyful and without any effort and without any strain. And one of the best ways I've found of doing that is gratitude. Okay, so gratitude is chucked about. I know it's an overused term, but one of my best exercises that I do to practice gratitude is a Marcus Aurelius quote. Imagine if you woke up this morning and the only things you had left in your home were things that you said thank you for the day before. How much stuff would you have left? And that will let you know, there's lots of stuff. We all do it where we take it for granted. Walk through your home or walk through where you are and just notice the things that if you didn't have in your life, it would make you feel bad, okay? The fact is that everything that you have in your life now, if you look around, the phone that you're on watching this, or the computer that you're on watching this, your books, your games consoles, your TV, your cable TV, all the things that you've got at one point in your life you really, really wanted. So get into that gratitude and imagine looking at them for the first time or so. They've just been delivered, they're brand new. How would you feel? And that's the sort of frequency that you want to get on. So don't overthink it, but I hope that makes sense. The second part is you. Okay, big part of this. I put you in the middle, really sloppily. Sorry about the really bad whiteboard, but I put you in the middle because that will always be the main precursor of all this stuff working. It will always be you. And almost like the gratitude thing before it, you want to attract with joy. Okay, so one of the top things that you can do when you're trying to attract money or anything else is to be in a feeling of joy. And joy is gratitude and love and ease and well-being and just being in the now and experiencing life and how grateful you are to be alive in this moment right now, and you don't need anything else. And the more you come from that point of view and the more you come from that frequency of not needing anything but just enjoying life so much that everything you get is a bonus and it's so fulfilling and you view it as an adventure. And even if you think, as I'm talking to you now, even if you think how that feels, it's a nice feeling. It's a freedom. Okay, so you attract with your joy, with your freedom, with your ease. Okay, and then the enhance, I've put enhance here. To enhance it is be rich now. So if you need money, I know this bit's tricky, but you can be rich now, and you can do it once you've done the first two parts. You can do it by being that version of yourself now. Go and put your best clothes on. Go and do your hair. Go and have a shave if you're a man, or go and put your makeup on if you're a woman, or vice versa. But whatever's right for you, what you would do to feel rich and to feel beautiful and to feel fulfilled, make yourself that now. You don't have to wait for anything. And if you do that and live in that state, there is absolutely no way that you can't attract what you want. It will start attracting to you straight away. So go and give that a go. And if you want more of a step-by-step guide, if you enjoyed this video, check out attractyourdreamstoyou.com and it will really help you attract money. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this has helped. Give us a like if you've watched it, if you're still here. I do thank you ever so much. I'm grateful and full of gratitude for you for watching the video. I hope you get something from it. Leave me a comment, like the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.